United Democratic Party kalakan tat bakajing syarem hak election MP syaka Lok Sabha kan penja kerteng sendon Henry kan datang Shipor. Habakran mentakasngi kasan tarik jeliu arja pusau working president ke UDP ubak polling do ubaderu menteri sorkar ulaong bakal air kaseng Voice of the People Party kan long tang Shipor kum ka eryong Henry kan sajano shiphang bat ka UDP kan sakhi bor biang shen. Ulaong bakumbala pau hakilat pathai kubor ka Voice of the People Party kan om Neslem namar bakadi ka politik pat bhur kani kejingkran undang yalam ke UDP ubadeiru menteri sorkar jala kalong hadian baka VPP kala job keput hak election MP syaka Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency hak result ke balapan benar hak sengi baar. Uba pol ulaong baka UDP kum ka seng riulum ke bahek tam hak jala kan sakhi biang bat kejing klan bor jongka shen bat kan sasyong banyathir halor kumno ban pen klanya ka parti nadu ka jala syadu ka distrik bagi konstituensi. Ulaong bakadaw ke bakongsan ke jing syarem keput ukertong ke Regional Democratic Party uba Robert Jun Karjarin kadai namar bakalapan krek slam ya ka election ke badang syusdang ha ubnai ke lalingkot. Ulaong bahaka politik kamjudan ke banek junom Henry ke jingkala kawan bat galet bat kumtaru ke jingjob ke VPP kan long Shipor. Ulai nuksa baka BJP ke balakop ban job South Pangut Henry menta kala-kala kompong.
Is your assessment, but to us, politics is always in a state of flux. Nothing is permanent, and therefore we are sure that we will bounce back. We will certainly need to introspect. The party leadership will need shortly to take stock of the situation, but every political party has had this kind of a journey, ups and downs. And today, as we speak, the Prime Minister of the country, who spoke of 400 plus seats, is trying to establish strong links with his other allies, because the BJP does not have a mandate of its own, based on its own strength. So therefore, these are things that are very common in politics. And today, the fact that we have hit rock bottom also means that there is no way of us going lower than this. The only other option is for us to bounce back. It clearly spoke about VPP riding on a populist wave. So populism does not last long in politics. It's very temporary, and this is a temporary setback for the UDP, but we are confident of bouncing back very soon. Certainly have to introspect, engage the situation, and get feedbacks from party leaders right down to the district and the constituency levels. Once those inputs are in place, we will be able to come up with a counter strategy. But this is an entirely new house in which the various political parties, if you recall, when we started off, we tried to form a government of regional parties. But the formula didn't work. And therefore, what is the alternative other than working with the NPP, which represents the majority of votes and constituencies of Garo Hills, and the UDP HSPDP, which has the maximum number of seats in the Khasi Chaitya sector? What other formula is there to replace that?